Most people believe that reaching your first $100,000 is almost impossible. They think it requires luck, a high-paying job, or taking huge risks. But the truth is very different. Your first 100,000 is not about intelligence or talent. It's about systems, discipline, and time. In this video, I'm going to break down 3 simple and realistic ways to accumulate your first $100,000 in 2 years or less. These are not get-rich-quick ideas. These are proven principles that work if you apply them consistently. Watch this video carefully because if you understand this, your financial trajectory can change permanently. Let's start with an important mindset shift. Your first $100,000 is the hardest. After that, money starts working for you instead of you working for money. Compounding, leverage, and opportunities become much easier once you hit this milestone. That's why your only focus should be getting to that first $100,000 as efficiently as possible. The first method is increasing your income aggressively, not passively. Saving alone will not get you to $100,000 fast enough unless your income is already high. You must focus on skills that can generate income quickly. High-income skills like sales, freelancing, digital services, content creation, or online businesses allow you to scale your earnings without relying on a fixed salary. The key here is leverage. You want skills that pay based on value, not hours. Even an extra $1,000 per month invested wisely can dramatically change your timeline. The second method is controlling your expenses without destroying your lifestyle. This is where most people misunderstand money. The goal is not extreme frugality. The goal is intentional spending. Every dollar you don't spend is a dollar that can be invested. Track your expenses. Cut unnecessary subscriptions, reduce lifestyle inflation, live slightly below your means while your income grows. This creates a powerful gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is where wealth is built. Now let's talk about the third and most important method, investing consistently and intelligently. You do not need to find the perfect investment. You need consistency. Whether it's stocks, ETFs, index funds, crypto, or a business, the key is regular investing over time. Compounding rewards patience. Many people wait for the right time and miss years of growth. Time in the market beats timing the market. Even small amounts invested monthly can grow significantly over 2 years. Here's where most people fail. They try to do everything at once. They chase fast money. They jump from strategy to strategy. Building $100,000 requires focus. Pick one income stream. Pick one investment approach. Stick to it long enough for results to show. Simplicity wins. Another critical factor is mindset. You must think long-term while acting short-term. Daily discipline creates long-term wealth. You will have months where progress feels slow. That's normal. Most people quit right before momentum kicks in. Don't be most people. Let's talk about risk. Taking zero risk guarantees failure. Taking uncontrolled risk guarantees disaster. Smart risk is calculated, limited, and intentional. Never risk money you can't afford to lose. Protect your downside. Wealth builders survive long enough to win. $100,000 is not the finish line. It's the foundation. Once you reach it, opportunities multiply, investments grow faster, businesses become easier to start, confidence increases. This is why your entire focus should be on this milestone. If you apply these 3 methods together, growing income, controlling expenses, and investing consistently, you dramatically increase your chances of success, not in theory, but in reality. Remember this, wealth is not built overnight, but it is lost overnight. Be patient, be disciplined, be consistent. Your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe, and comment below. I'll see you in the next one.
If I had to start from zero today and my only goal was to build my first $100,000 as fast and realistically as possible, this is exactly how I would do it. No shortcuts, no hype, no gambling, just logic, discipline, and time. Most people never reach this milestone because they don't have a plan. They consume information, but they don't execute. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact framework I would follow if I were starting today, step by step. The first thing I would focus on is cash flow. Without cash flow, nothing else matters. Investing without income is useless. I would aggressively build an income source that scales with effort, not time. That means skills over degrees, sales, freelancing, online services, consulting, content, or digital products. These are not theories. These are real-world income engines. The goal is simple. Increase monthly income as fast as possible while keeping expenses controlled. Next, I would eliminate unnecessary financial leaks. Most people don't realize how much money quietly disappears every month. Small expenses feel harmless, but over time, they destroy momentum. I'm not saying live miserable. I'm saying live intentionally. Every dollar has a job. If it's not helping me grow, it's questioned. This mindset alone separates wealth builders from everyone else. Once income and expenses are under control, investing becomes powerful. I would invest consistently, not emotionally. I would ignore headlines. I would ignore fear and hype. The strategy doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be followed. Compounding doesn't reward intelligence. It rewards patience. The earlier you start, the easier the journey becomes. A mistake many people make is waiting until they feel ready. Ready never comes. Confidence is built through action, not preparation. Start small, learn, adjust, stay in the game. The goal is survival first, growth second. Another key principle is focus. One income stream, one investment approach, one goal. Splitting attention slows everything down. Simplicity creates speed. Speed creates momentum. Let's talk about time. 2 years sounds short, but it's more than enough if you are consistent. Most people waste years doing nothing meaningful with their finances. 2 focused years beats 10 distracted ones. Emotion is the enemy of wealth. Fear, impatience, comparison, these destroy progress. You don't need to be smarter than everyone else. You need to be more disciplined than most. Your first $100,000 changes everything. It gives you options, it gives you leverage, it gives you confidence, but you must earn it. There is no shortcut that doesn't end badly. If you are watching this and you feel behind, remember this. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is now. Start where you are, use what you have, stay consistent. If this video gave you clarity, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next one.